Munawar Farooqui, the stand-up comedian, is now embroiled in legal trouble after a complaint was lodged against him. The allegations claim that his show, Hafta Vasooli, hurt religious sentiments and promotes obscenity. Advocate Amita Sachdeva took to X to share a copy of her complaint, asserting that the show not only disrespects multiple religions but also violates cultural values and negatively influences young minds and society. According to the complaint, an FIR has been requested under several provisions, including Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita sections 196, 299, and 353. The complaint also cites the IT Act and other applicable laws, emphasizing that the show's content is not only vulgar but also socially irresponsible. Advocate Sachdeva shared screenshots of an email in which she formally requested the FIR. Her actions are aimed at ensuring that Munawar Farooqui is held accountable for what she describes as his habitual offenses on stage. In her post, she clearly stated her position by writing, "Complaint filed against Munawar Farooqui. I have officially filed a complaint against habitual offender Munawar Farooqui for his show, Hafta Vasooli, requesting an FIR under BNS sections 196, 299, and 353, along with the IT Act and other relevant sections for promoting vulgarity, insulting multiple religions, violating cultural values, polluting young minds and society." The complaint has been sent via email and will be physically submitted and speed posted on Monday. If no action is taken, I will approach the court to ensure justice prevails. Her strong words have resonated with many, as other religious groups joined the conversation on X, demanding a complete ban on the show. This controversy comes on the heels of another incident involving podcaster Ranveer Allahabadia. His remarks on the show India's Got Latent ignited significant public backlash. Following his comments, several first information reports were filed against him, Samay Raina, and other influencers who participated in that episode. Overall, these legal challenges highlight the growing tensions in India between artistic freedom and societal expectations. As public debate continues, the outcome of these legal actions will be closely watched by both supporters of free speech and those demanding respect for religious and cultural sentiments.